Lately, as I've been chatting with a lot of you, I have learned that not many people are aware you can do a live stream raid on YouTube similar to how you can on Twitch. A live stream raid is when you take all the people, the viewers that are watching you on your broadcast, and you send them or move them to another creator's stream. This lets you introduce your viewers to another streamer, and it helps you to be able to show that streamer some support. On YouTube, they call raids redirects, and it's pretty simple to set up. What you want to do is go into your YouTube live stream dashboard. Make sure that you're on this page. When you go in there, you go over to the edit button. Then click on customization in the edit settings. From there, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find the redirect section, and then you're going to click add. From here, you can click on here to search videos, or if you notice, it'll pop up with a bunch of live streams that are currently live from people who you are already subscribed to. When you see these, just make sure it says live on their stream, because it also includes other people who have like upcoming streams. You can also search. So if I type in Minecraft here, it'll come up with people who have Minecraft in their description or their title. And you can choose one of those if you want. Once you choose a broadcast that you want to redirect to, it will show here in the edit settings. You want to go ahead and save the settings. And then once you end your stream in OBS or Streamlabs, whatever you're using to stream, make sure your stream has ended in your dashboard as well. Sometimes you may have to click like an end stream button if OBS doesn't do it automatically for you. Then it will send all of your viewers to that new stream. In the live stream that you redirected to, there's going to be a notification that your viewers have come to join their stream. Right, now that I've explained that, you may have a couple questions. The first question may be, wait, when I go in to edit my dashboard and I go to customization, I scroll down to redirect, I don't see redirect there. It's not there. Why is that? YouTube requires that you're in the partner program in order to use a redirect. The documentation, I think, says you need like 1,000 subscribers. I was able to do it before 1,000. I just had to enter the partner program and have enough subscribers and watch hours. The second question you're probably asking is, wait, when I go into redirect and I try to choose a live stream, I know my friend is live. I'm looking for his live stream. I've subscribed to him, but I can't see him there. I can't find him when I search. He doesn't show up. How do I find his stream? How can I redirect his stream? The thing is, he may not have a setting enabled on his YouTube Studio. What you need to do is go over to YouTube Studio, and on your YouTube Studio settings here, go to Community Moderation and then User Management. When you get in here, it shows like where your moderators are and everything. You want to scroll down. Then you'll get to this section that says Live Redirect Users. In the very bottom section, you can put in a specific channel that you want to be able to redirect to you or raid you. Like I could type in Mark Rober, select his name, and then if Mark Rober ever wanted to redirect to my channel, he has permission, right? But YouTube requires this permission. Another thing you could do is, instead of adding users, you could click on this option that says channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content. The other option is you can choose all channels can redirect to my content. This will allow everybody who has live redirects available to them to redirect or raid your channel. If you're trying to raid somebody that you know or they're your friend or whatever, and you look for them and their live stream isn't showing up, they probably have to enable these permissions in order for people to raid or redirect to their live streams. The last piece of advice I would give when you're redirecting or raiding someone else's stream is you could have like a message that people can recognize to know who the raiders are that are coming in. But I always make sure to remind my viewers to be respectful and not to spam. Make sure they follow the rules of the new streamer that they're being introduced to, just to make sure that it's a good thing for that streamer. It doesn't cause them stress or anything like that. Thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, I want to give a special shout out to Paddy Quinn, who is a member of our Super Spirit Syndicate membership tier on YouTube. Thank you very much, Paddy. If you want, you can leave a comment on the video if you have any questions, or you can subscribe to the channel and you can catch one of my live streams. I'm always happy to answer questions about YouTube live streaming or StreamerBot or other things. I'd be happy to see you there. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Adios.